Staying prepared for this cold and flu season is essential for maintaining good health. And as the season nears, it's crucial to focus on preventing, treating, and managing these common respiratory illnesses, along with others like COVID-19 and RSV. Dr. Preethi Parikh, Executive Medical Director at GoodRx, joins us with more. Doctor, thank you so very much for spending some time with us this morning. Tell us, what can we expect this cold and flu season?
Yeah, I mean, so I've been, and my colleagues have been tracking it using trackers like from the Center of Disease Control, looking at flu, COVID, and RSV, and also at goodrx.com /flu savings. You can also find a tracker where we're looking at prescription fills for treating RSV, flu, and COVID. And both trackers show that we're on track for a similar season as last year, but there is a lot of optimism that potentially if everyone does their part in the community and gets those vaccines, that maybe we actually have a less severe illness this year of those three viruses that causes the triple-demic, as many people have heard, RSV, COVID, and flu, that maybe we actually may have a better year.
I certainly hope so. I have actually been vaccinated for all three so far this year, so that's hooray. Woohoo! My wife and I have already done that. So what steps can we take to stay healthy and prevent illness?
Yeah, so making sure like what we learned in preschool and then kindergarten and throughout our years in the last couple of years that's been reinforced, making sure we're washing our hands, making sure we're not touching surfaces and then our face and orifices, and then when you're also like sneezing or coughing, you're doing that into your elbow, not into your hands. And then importantly, if you are sick or a family member is sick, to stay home and not go to school and work, because then that's what causes the spread of the illness and causes more issues for everyone. And even yourself, you need to rest and make sure you take care of yourself if you do have an illness to get better.
So Dr. Parikh, how can consumers save money on treatments during cold and flu season?
Yeah, so right now our healthcare system, talking to my patients and also my own colleagues and friends, you know, healthcare has become really expensive. Even if you have insurance, you have high deductibles, the copays can be expensive. And so even for vaccines and treatments, so even if you got a vaccine and you still get the illness, there's treatments now available, but all of it costs a lot of money. And so even if you have insurance or you don't have insurance, a great place to check out is goodrx.com /flu savings, because there we have coupons available for vaccines and treatments. And it's really important that we have that accessible to people, because last year itself, which I'm really proud of, is that GoodRx saved Americans over $20 million during the flu and cold season. And this is key in order to make sure people get those vaccines that they need, and if they do get sick, that they get the treatments that they need at a price they can afford, because that is the best thing we can do for our community.
Doctor, one more time before I let you go, where can folks go for more resources and information?
Yeah, so goodrx.com /flu savings is a great resource, not only for savings, but also on health information. It's all written and created by healthcare professionals and pharmacists, so you know that you're getting trusted health content, and that can help you guide you through the prevention and treatment if you do get sick.
Dr. Preethi Parikh, thank you so very much for joining us this morning. We really appreciate your time. And guys, if you want to catch this segment or others like it, head over to FCN Plus.